Welcome to WritersER, where we unlock the secrets of academic writing and propel you toward the finish line of your educational journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dissertation writing, specifically tailored for those of you tackling this monumental task in a second language. Imagine standing at the peak of your academic journey, the culmination of years of hard work within grasp, but there's a twist. You're doing it all in a language that's not your first. Daunting, isn't it? But fear not, because today we're not just discussing the challenges, we're providing you with a toolbox of strategies to conquer them. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Writing a dissertation in a second language is a colossal challenge. It tests your limits, pushes you out of your comfort zone, and demands more than just academic knowledge. It requires resilience, adaptability, and a whole lot of patience. But here's the silver lining, it's also an opportunity to expand your linguistic prowess, to engage with new academic cultures, and most importantly, to prove to yourself that you can do it. The cornerstone of your strategy should be immersion. Immerse yourself in the academic language as if it's your natural habitat. Read extensively within your field, not just the content, but also the style, the structure, and the vocabulary. Academic journals, dissertations, and articles in your field of study become your new best friends. The goal here is twofold: to understand the content and to absorb the academic language and conventions of your discipline. Now let's talk about tools and resources. The digital age has blessed us with an abundance of resources at our fingertips. Use language learning apps, online dictionaries, and thesauri to enrich your vocabulary and understanding of academic language. Grammar checkers like Grammarly can be lifesavers, but remember, they're aids, not substitutes for your judgment. For those tricky grammar rules that seem to defy logic, consider keeping a grammar guide tailored to academic writing in your second language by your side. Feedback is your ally. Seek it early and often. Engage with your supervisors, peers, and even language tutors. Be open to constructive criticism and use it as a foundation for improvement. Remember, the goal is not just to write in a second language, but to write persuasively, coherently, and clearly. Time management becomes even more critical when writing in a second language. Allocate extra time for writing and revising. Breaking down your dissertation into smaller, manageable sections can make the task seem less intimidating. Set realistic goals and deadlines for each section to keep yourself on track. Cultural nuances in academic writing vary greatly across languages. Pay attention to these differences. For example, the way arguments are constructed, the use of passive versus active voice, or the level of directness expected can vary. Understanding these nuances can significantly impact the clarity and persuasiveness of your writing. Now, for the most exciting part, the power of rewriting and revision. Here's where the magic happens. The first draft is just that, a draft. It's your canvas to experiment, make mistakes, and learn. The real work begins with revision. This is where you refine your arguments, clarify your thoughts, and polish your language. Embrace the process of rewriting as an integral part of crafting a dissertation that not only meets, but exceeds academic standards. As we wrap up, remember that writing a dissertation in a second language is not just a test of your academic prowess. It's a journey of personal and linguistic growth. It's challenging, yes, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You're not just earning a degree, you're breaking barriers and setting a new benchmark for yourself. Before we part ways, I'd like to leave you with a question to ponder and discuss in the comments. What has been the biggest challenge you faced while writing academically in a second language, and how did you overcome it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more insights, tips, and strategies to navigate the academic writing landscape.